Welcome back to another iDaily Buzz special. Today, we are talking about Flux AI. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how Flux AI works, why it's perfect for anyone looking to level up their design workflow, and how it can save you tons of time while boosting your creativity. We'll cover everything from text to image generation to how it can automate your PC designs. So stick around if you're ready to see what's possible when AI meets creativity and engineering. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how this tool can revolutionize your projects, whether you're a digital artist, a tech entrepreneur, or just someone curious about the latest AI technology. One of the most impressive and innovative features of Flux AI is its Flux AI Image Generation model. This tool leverages cutting-edge AI technology to transform simple text prompts into high-quality, detailed visuals. What sets Flux apart from other AI image generators is its ability to produce exceptionally high-resolution images with precise details, especially when it comes to rendering challenging elements like human hands, faces, and other intricate features. Unlike many AI models that struggle with accuracy, Flux excels at generating realistic and aesthetically pleasing visuals, ensuring that your outputs are both professional and polished. Here's how it works. You start by entering a text prompt that describes the type of image you want. For instance, if you're creating concept art for a fantasy character or designing visuals for an ad campaign, simply type in your description, and Flux will generate stunning images that align with your vision. This makes it incredibly versatile for various use cases, from game development and advertising to social media content and product design. In summary, the Flux AI Image Generation tool is a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality visuals quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, or designer, Flux empowers you to create professional-grade images without the need for extensive manual editing, saving you time and boosting your creative output. Another groundbreaking feature of Flux AI is its AI Copilot for PC design, a tool specifically designed to streamline the process of creating printed circuit boards, PCBs. For engineers, product designers, and hobbyists, this feature is a game changer, allowing users to move from concept to production with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Traditionally, designing PCBs can be a complex and time-consuming process, requiring meticulous planning, precise calculations, and manual layout adjustments. However, the AI Copilot in Flux AI simplifies this workflow by leveraging artificial intelligence to automate repetitive tasks and enhance design accuracy. The AI Copilot acts as a virtual assistant that helps you optimize your designs, reducing human error and significantly speeding up the entire process. It works as followed. When you start designing a circuit board, the AI Copilot analyzes your inputs and offers intelligent suggestions to optimize the layout, component placements, and routing paths. For example, if you're working on a dense design with limited space, the AI can recommend better component arrangements or routing paths to minimize overlaps and enhance signal integrity. It's like having a professional engineer assisting you at every step, making sure your design is both functional and efficient. The AI Copilot also includes features like real-time collaboration, allowing multiple team members to work on the same projects simultaneously. This is especially valuable for companies with distributed teams, as it ensures that everyone stays in sync and can contribute to the design process in real time. But what truly sets Flux AI apart is its lightning-fast generation capabilities. The AI Copilot leverages the Flux Schnell model, optimized for speed without sacrificing quality. This enables you to generate complex PC layouts up to 10 times faster than traditional design tools. The accelerated performance means you can iterate quickly, try out multiple design options, and refine your circuit boards in a fraction of the time. Whether you're prototyping new products or optimizing existing designs, this speed boost helps you meet tight deadlines and stay agile in your development process. And the best part, the AI maintains the same level of precision and detail, ensuring that your circuit boards are both high quality and optimized for performance. By combining intelligent suggestions, real-time collaboration, and lightning-fast generation, Flux AI transforms the PC design process, making it not only faster but also smarter. Whether you're a startup or a large engineering team, these features empower you to bring your designs to market more efficiently than ever before. Understanding the pricing structure of Flux AI is crucial if you're considering integrating it into your workflow for design projects, whether you're a solo creator, part of a startup, or a larger organization. Flux AI offers a range of pricing options that cater to different needs, making it accessible for everyone. Let's start with the basics. Flux AI offers a free plan, which allows users to explore its core features and get a feel for the platform before committing to a paid subscription. This free tier is perfect for beginners who want to test out its capabilities, such as the AI Copilot for PCB design and the Flux AI Image Generation tool. For those who require more advanced capabilities, Flux AI offers premium subscription plans. These plans unlock additional features, such as access to the lightning-fast Flux AI Schnell model, higher resolution image outputs, and enhanced collaboration tools. The business plan is ideal for small teams or startups, providing more flexibility with project limits and real-time collaboration features. Meanwhile, the enterprise plan is geared towards larger organizations that need to scale their design processes and require priority support. In summary, whether you're a designer, engineer, or digital artist, Flux AI's pricing plans are designed to fit different budgets and project scales. From a free tier for beginners to comprehensive plans for advanced users, there's something for everyone, ensuring you get the most value for your investment while leveraging the power of AI in your creative workflows. Alright, that's a wrap on Flux AI. As you've seen, this tool is a game changer for designers, engineers, and creatives who want to streamline their workflows and get high-quality results fast. Whether it's generating stunning visuals with Flux AI, optimizing PCB layouts with the AI Copilot, or leveraging the lightning-fast processing to boost productivity, Flux AI offers incredible value. If you're someone who wants to save time, enhance creativity, and take your projects to the next level, Flux AI is definitely worth exploring. And the best part, it's accessible for all skill levels, from hobbyists to professionals. Beyond just design, Flux AI also fosters real-time collaboration, making it perfect for teams working remotely or across different time zones. Whether you're a solo creator looking to experiment or a business aiming to streamline product development, Flux AI's versatile tools adapt to your needs. So if you're ready to unlock new possibilities in your projects, give it a try. If you're interested in trying Flux AI yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of its features and if there are other AI tools you'd like me to review or dive into next. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I cover the latest and greatest trends in AI tools, sharing tips, reviews, and insights to help you get the most out of these technologies, whether you're a developer, content creator, or just curious about what AI can do. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring what AI can do. See you in the next video.